Today we're going to be learning about Ada Lovelace, the very first computer programmer. Your teacher will be giving you a paragraph about Ada Lovelace that you can type on a Google Doc. And once you've typed that, then we're going to be formatting it. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, according to your directions, the first thing you're supposed to do is write her name at the top of the page. So type in Ada Lovelace and then press enter 2 times. Pause and do that now. Next, it's time for you to type the paragraph as it's written. It's really important that you're copying straight from this paper, and don't worry about pressing enter at the end of each line because Google Docs will move your lines for you. All you have to do is type. So pause the video now and type the paragraph as it's been given to you. According to the directions, the next thing we want to do is to make Ada Lovelace at the title to be centered. We need to highlight her name. To do that, I could click on my left click, hold that left click down, and move my mouse across. Now that it's highlighted, you can press the center button, and then we also want to put that in bold, so use the B for bold. Pause and do that now. Once we have our title centered and in bold, it's time for us to italicize the last sentence about music and art. To do that, we're going to find the beginning of that sentence, which begins with Ada. Ada believed computers could do more than math. They could also make music and art. So we're going to highlight that. You can either left click, hold it down, and then just drag your mouse down, or you could make sure your cursor is there, then click shift, hold the shift button down and then your down arrow, and it also will select everything. And now we'll press the I on the top. Pause and do that now. Now that you have those in italics, we can take a look at our paragraph to make sure that we understand everything about Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace was a mathematician and the first computer programmer. She worked with a machine called the analytical engine, and she was born in London, England. Ada believed computers could do more than math. They could also make music and art. Now that you have completed your paragraph, it's time for you to turn your assignment in to your teacher, and I'll catch you in the next lesson.